Namamasyal kami ng aking Papa Loves dito sa tindahan ng mga halaman. Ito po yung napakaliliit na halaman. Ito ay rosemary. Mahal. Ayan po ang mga ito, damo lang ito sa atin. Pero halaman po dito. Ayan. Okay. Ayun oh. Ayun oh. Ito. Ano naman to? Labendola. Ito pala ay lantana. Yes. Oh. Ito po yung matataas na pananim nila dito. Ayan. Kami nga po ay siya. Nag-hide insect po kami dito. What do you want? What do you want? Oh, that one?
Seems pretty nice.
Oh, yeah. How much?
But it's
Oh,
kind of weird how it's
189.
growing, huh?
It's
like
growing.
they took it off another tree, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Is that what they did?
Oh, yeah. That is a budding. Budding, you know budding?
I don't know.
Putting another.
But it's a pretty tall tree.
Yeah,
for-
we can do that. If you know. Yeah.
For $200.
Okay.
This is a pretty good tree too. Looks like it would give a lot of shade. Huh.
189 for that.
But look how tall this one is. Although this would be the ground, so it's
Yeah.
2 feet shorter. But if you had a couple of these, oh, it would look nice in the backyard. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Lady. Oh, Rose. Lady Banks Lutea.
Those flowers look neat on those trees, huh? They look.
Yeah. I don't know the name, but there is the name.
They look nice though, huh?
Oh yeah.
I think.
My goodness. Ayan po ang mga bulaklak. Kagaganda naman. Ayan, ang mga bulaklak. Pero dahil hindi naman sila nabubuhay sa bahay. Ayun pa ang mga bulaklak na magaganda. Ayun oh. Ay, ano ito? Ito pa. Kagaganda ho naman ang bulaklak kahit saan. Ay talagang ari ang Santa Ana. Ari ang sinya. Kapag kapupula. Ano ka po naman. At ayun ang pinakamaganda. Ang talbos ng kamote. Oh wow, I like this one. Nagtanim po ako nito mga ay hindi naman sila nabuhay. Magkano ga? Yeah. This is a sweet potato. I have like this already. Yeah, I like this one. The red. Okay, alin kaya ang mabibili ko? Ayun, maganda din yung doon. Yung kinukuha ng mama. Ayan, may gabi-gabi pa din eh. Lahat ng gabi. Ito, $5 po ito. Marami akong to sa bahay. Honey, look at this. This look like mine. You know how much? It's $5.98.
Aren't your leaves a lot more green?
Yeah.
These are different color leaves.
I have like that. Because that shade is covering that 5. Okay. This is different from another. This is different. Nagtanim na ako dito eh. Magkano naman siya? Ay, 3 ang 15. So, $5 din. Ang papayat nila oh. Let me see nga ito kung kayang mabuhay sa aking backyard. Bili akong isa. Ito bibili po ako ng isa dito. Maybe, alin kaya maganda? Ito, na pulang-pula. Uyo na mahahaba. Meron na ako nito. Ha?
Look at this, is kind of neat. For 150.
Oh, you like that?
What we're gonna do is I'm gonna pick these 2 rows.
Let me see. Honey, which one is good? This one? Or that one? The other one.
I don't know.
Ah, you don't know this. Ah, 598. Maybe this is okay. Bilhin ko kaya to.
I'm gonna go look over here at the
Okay, okay.
things.